What's up, y'all? We are off to do a rekey of a 7-door house, fairly big house, and it's way up north. And unfortunately, well, it's kind of a half and half. Unfortunately, it's Easy Set brand, which is going to be probably a quick set keyway, and the knobs are usually held on with the clip the cylinder is, but the deadbolts are always screw tapped, and not really many of the screw tap doodads, the little screw tap removal tools, will fit Easy Set. They're kind of like maybe a LSDA deadbolt with a little cross tailpiece. So a lot of tweezer work really is what that boils down to. Anyway, let's carry on. Head up to this house, which is like 20 minutes away. Take a moment to record because there is a douche nugget and a pickup truck up ahead that almost caused himself to wreck because he's wanting to weave in and out of traffic. So let's just see here for a minute. Pickup truck. Which is one of the most difficult towns to spell for people in this area. Gluckstadt. 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 German heritage. But really there's not that many Germans actually here anymore. And it's a neighborhood about off the interstate here, probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 more miles. So, yeah. This is actually a brand new interchange. Well, brand new, about a year old. It used to be just a simple 4-way stop. At least the cloud cover's up there. Okay, so we have a Wiser handle set, and unfortunately these require the whole thing to come off the door because they're held down with this little what you call these compression ring things. So because I don't carry one of these around, just take the whole handle. And yeah, and then the rest of them was just plain gate, defining. not that many actually. So we're going to key them to a quickset key, because a quickset key will work in Wiser, but a Wiser key won't work in quickset. Let's go ahead and get them apart. And my sun just came back out, but it's stormy over here behind me. So I want to kind of try to rush this before I get blown away in a hurricane, tornado. Out in the country out here is where the tornadoes like to spawn up all of a sudden during thunderstorms. But we have a brief moment of sun. It's cooled off considerably since this morning. Come on off. So that is a good thing. And let's see, Wiser tool for the Wiser. That's the old style Wiser. That's what that ends for, because it's a Wiser tool. It just doesn't get a lot of use anymore. Oh, come on. Crunchy. Oh, get off me, bug. Often you'll find houses that have these front door locks on them where they come in and they're replaced all the other locks, but they don't want to bother spending the money or redoing the door. Okay, this one's grabbing, so something's going on there. Come on off. What are you doing? Okay, fine. Be that way. There we go. And these actually use these little bitty shorter, oh no, I'm sorry. Some of the old Wiser used shorter retaining pins here, but these are the standard. Oh, I'm sorry, they're not the standard. These are the old style. They're a little bit shorter because they switched to double-sided pins where the pokey was on both sides. Shortly when they changed over to the different cap style. Alright, let's take these bad boys apart and get them keyed up to the new key. Okay, we got them all keyed up, and let's put these bad boys back together. The old key still works a couple of interior doors that they didn't want to do, so we're gonna give them back the old key. Yeah, I'm afraid of that. Sometimes this plate gets caught up when you're turning it. Let's see if we can get it to work on at least a couple of them. this one needs a little bit of goo. Thought so. I thought so. So what's causing this is this inner plate. There we go. Sometimes you gotta pull the plate out to make it go in right and reform it. That time I didn't. Okay, and we're going to check this with the key. Make sure that the key goes out and in correctly. Okay, this one's a little tight, so I'm going to back it off one notch. A little tight. Oh, hello, love bug. Much better. It's still kind of tight. It's weird. One more. There we go. I'm going to leave this kit open because I got to do one more lock. Alright, so we have a Anderson lock that was mimicking as a Euro cylinder. This one's kind of rusted in. There we go. Oh, dang. Shim shimaroo. Six pin. This guy is a 6-pin. Interesting. All done. All headed back to the shop now. The hammer's sitting in a lower position. It is 12:40. I'm going to head back to the shop. I should get back to the shop in about 20 minutes. Just in time to grab lunch across the street. Get us a hamburger. Get me a hamburger. I don't know what comes with it. So anyway, that is it for this rekey. We're going to zoom on back to Jackson, and we'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Make sure and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, there's a link up here in the top corner to subscribe to the channel. If you have not done so, make sure and hit that bell notification so you know instantly when we upload the newest content. Thanks again for being here. We really appreciate all y'all who watch our videos. So make sure and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will catch you next video.